Have you watched Scam 1992, the Harshad Mehta story? If yes, you might have noticed the men in blue of Dalal Street, that is, the jobbers in their blue suits going to a trading ring, shouting or negotiating share prices with hand gestures and penciling down the final trades in small chits called Sauda pads. Well, times have changed and everything is now online. The brokers still exist, but they provide an online platform to execute buy and sell orders. What's up? Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Rohit Bhosle and today we are going to discuss about online stock trading. Let us begin, shall we? So what is online stock trading? When an online platform facilitates buying or selling of financial products like stocks, mutual funds, bonds or derivatives, etc., it is called online trading. It can't get simpler than this. By all means, online trading is just like logging onto Amazon or Flipkart and buying stuff. All you need is the internet, mobile or laptop and some money to trade. That is it. You can trade from anywhere and whenever you want. This, my friends, is the essence of online trading. To understand what is online trading, more undoubtedly, you must watch this entire video carefully about how online trading is done, the advantages and disadvantages of online trading and its types as well. Well, advantages of online trading. It is the most simplest way to buy and sell stocks. Traders can track the market and their trades in real time. Multiple forms of instruments are available on a single trading platform. For example, trading in stocks and buying gold bonds or mutual funds can be done on the same platform. You can trade online from anywhere and at any time. Well, there are also some disadvantages of online trading, such as online trading platforms are prone to technical glitches during highly volatile days. It might take some time for beginners to get familiar with advanced trading platforms. So, how do you trade online? Well, there are 3 steps with which you can start your trading journey. Open a Demat and a trading account by approaching a SEBI registered broker. You can open an account by submitting a few documents like PAN, Aadhaar card, a cancelled check, 6 months bank statement and a passport size photograph. Once the account is open, you need to transfer funds from your bank account to the trading account, which is the step 2. And step 3, voila! Now you can start online trading. Well, what are the types of online trading? We have categorized online trading into 3 types. Quick trades, which involve scalping and intraday trading, positional trades, and investing. Well, quick trades, in scalping, the trades are taken only for several seconds to minutes. This strategy is mainly used in high volatile stocks to make the most of price movements. It is often referred to as micro trading. Traders involved in scalping execute hundreds of trades in a day. Scalping falls in a very high risk category and requires a good amount of experience and expertise in the stock markets. You can do scalping with a small amount of money via leverages. Intraday trading. As the name suggests, intraday trading is basically buying and selling of shares on the same day. It is also known as day trading. The holding time in intraday trading can vary from a minute to hours. Usually, intraday trading is done based on technical analysis and news or events. Intraday trading also falls in a very high risk category and requires some expertise in the stock market. You can do intraday with a small amount of money via leverages, which means with a little amount you can invest in large number of stocks. Well, let us also understand about positional trades. Positional trading. If you hold a stock for more than a day, it is known as positional trading. It is based on the idea that the value of the stock will appreciate in several days to months. Here, the traders follow a trend and wait for it to peak. Positional trading can further be categorized into swing trading, which is again a trend following strategy, but is popularly said to have a holding period of several weeks. Positional trading falls in the medium risk category and requires a higher amount of capital as you need to pay the full amount for the shares you buy. Let us move on to investing. So when you buy shares to hold them for several months or years, it is called investing. Investing can be done in shares or mutual funds. While investing in shares falls in the medium risk category, mutual funds are considered to be low risk instruments. Best company offering online trading in India. Well, there are 2 types of brokers, a discount broker and a full service broker. A discount broker provides you trading and investing services at the lowest possible cost, and a full service broker provides you full-blown services like investing tips, hand holding, trading reports, etc. But all these services come with a higher cost. Well, Alice Blue is an exception. We provide way more than what a full service broker provides, but at a cost of a discount broker. It helps you to get a great trading experience into the stock market. It offers two unique products called the Trade School and the Trade Store. Well, Trade School is an educational platform where you get to learn all the basics as well as knowledge about the stock market. It helps you learn everything about the stock market from the beginner to advanced level via webinars, live sessions, courses, etc. from the top traders and investors in India. Trade Store, it is a marketplace that provides amazing apps that will ease your trading and investing experience in the stock market. Trade Store has over 15 to 20 products that can be accessed freely or at a special price if you are an Alice Blue client. Here's how Trade Store can help you in your trading and investment journey. Direct mutual funds investments. That is, you can invest in mutual funds with zero commission. You can invest in IPO with a single click via UPI. You can have a separate options trading platform with ready-made strategies. You get a buy and sell signal software with 70 to 90% accuracy. You get stock screeners and market sentiment analyzers for better decision making, predefined technical and fundamental analysis strategies, advisory and more. We provide the most reliable and safe trading platforms with amazing features. Web-based application which is called AntWeb and mobile application which is called AntMobi. All these trading platforms are very easy to use and provide 1 year plus historical chart data, 80 plus technical indicators, multiple watch lists and a lot of highly advanced features. All in all, you will get the benefits of a full service broker at the price of a discount broker. With that being said, I hope you have got some motivation to get yourself started into online stock trading. If yes, go on to the links in the description below and make yourself a demat and a trading account in just 15 minutes. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, you have an amazing time.
Investment in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.